Draw tracks.
I'm gonna make you jealous. I'm gonna make you jealous, jealous. I'm gonna make you jealous. I'm gonna make you jealous, jealous. I'm gonna make you jealous. I'm gonna make you jealous, jealous. I'm gonna make you jealous. I'm gonna make you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Memphis, and if you're not, you're welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look. One side is a little bit higher than the other side though, but I don't care. If you want to know how I achieved this look, keep on watching.
Wine on my body, baby, wine that. Wine on my body, baby, wine that. Wine on my body, baby, wine that. She tell me say now only me, they make a move, they make a feel right now.
I'm going to be attempting something that I've never done in my life. Which is, well, it's actually not that serious, but I'm going to be doing 2 pigtails with this darling Nigeria ponytail extensions. Yeah, I always feel like the people that can make their hair at home, they have superpowers. So I'm about to see if that can be my superpower as well. So if you're interested in... To start this look, I already washed and prepped my hair, I already blow dried it and stuff, and now I'm just parting my hair into 2. Guys, this was so hard because I can't see the back of my head, so I'm just winging it at this point. Now you want to brush your hair and pack it into 2 pigtails. You want to use a hairbrush, not this one I just showed you. I'll show you guys later in the video, the one that guys use on their heads. And if you're wondering why I have a bald spot there, there's a little story time at the end of this video. So yeah, you have to use the brush to pack your hair so it can be tight and sleek, but I really do not want that look. And as you can see, it's unequal, guys. Packing this into equal parts was so hard, but yeah, I did it like twice, if I'm being honest, and it still wasn't equal. Look at it. But we move. So now you just want to braid your hair down, and guys, look at my split ends. Those are split ends, right? I don't know, I just started taking my hair care serious, so I think those are split ends and I have to do something about it. Anyway, yeah, just braid it down, and then I proceed to use my Got2b hairspray. Like I said, I didn't want the slicked back look, so I did not use too much, and this is the brush I was talking about, and that's the bald spot. Can you see it? Story time at the end of the video. So yeah, use your blow dryer to dry up the... And yeah, like I said, you want to use the brush so you don't get that space like you just saw in your hair. It doesn't even really matter because by the time you put on the extensions, it's going to cover any imperfection there is. So now it's time to install the ponies. I got it from darling Nigeria. It's called the Brazilian pony. I'm going to do a review on my channel if you're interested. So it comes with 2 combs and a drawstring for you to tighten it up when you install it. So you just install it, one at the top, one at the bottom, obviously. And then you use the drawstring. You pull out the drawstring. Do not pull this hard. This was completely unnecessary because now it's slacked. But yeah, you want to pull it out and just tighten your extension. And I'm just trying to make sure it fits on my actual bun, like my hair, so it doesn't move around during the day. And done that, and now I do that to the second part, sorry. And this was faster for me to do because I'd already done this one side. And can you see how hard I did not pull this one? Guys, don't pull it too hard. And yeah, honestly, this video is 5 minutes long, but this hair took me no cap like an hour to do. That's because it was my first time though. And yeah, we're done with the look. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you'd like to try it. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Oh, time for the story time real quick. Guys, there's no actual way that this just happened. No, like Bro, but like this is actually not cute. I have a round hairline, and then you come here and, well, maybe it's not noticeable, but like I think I know there's like a bald spot here, and then here is like full, and then here is bald. What the actual fuck? So guys, I had to loosen that braid to show you all the amount of hair I just lost. And this is to answer another question for those of you that always ask me, why do I let them pick my front hair? Why don't I let them leave baby hairs for me? That's because my front hair is so long. Well, it's not so long, but it's long, sha. And you can't like leave it out for edges. I have to wait for my hair to get rough before I actually get like baby hairs. And now I'm bald. Like I'm fucking bald. Like I'm touching hair and it's like bare skin. Like there's no hair.
Feeling something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling.